everybody, I am NicoD. Today I'm going to show you how to share your mouse and keyboard between different SBCs or PCs. So for example, here I am using my NanoPi M4 and here is my Orange Pi Plus. So I can use my mouse and keyboard as normal, of course, on my NanoPi M4. So sudo apt update and my password. Okay, but if I go to the right with my mouse, then my mouse pointer appears here on my second display on the Orange Pi Plus, and I can also type over here sudo apt update and again a password. Okay, so this is very handy. So for this I am using Barrier. Barrier is a fork of Synergy. People who watch Linus Tech Tips will know what Synergy is. So Synergy is paid software to do this. So to share your mouse and keyboard over different computers and also over different operating systems. So you can share it with Windows, you can share it with a Mac OS, you can share it with Linux, of course. So I will show you how to install it. It is very simple how to install it. I found this out last week on a website, a very good website who gives very detailed information. You can find the link to the website here in the description. Certainly watch that website. It is full of information. I'm just gonna show you how to use it and how to install it. But if you want more information, check that website here in the description. So here we go! Here we are at the Odroid N2. So first of all we will have to install Barrier, but for that we will need snap. So first of all do sudo apt install snap and snapd. When that is installed we can install Barrier with snap. So to do that sudo snap install edge barrier. So just wait until it's done. And that's all. To open it you type /snap/bin/barrier. So we will configure this to be a server. So the Odroid N2, so here you see the IP address. This is very important. You will need this to configure the client. So let's set the NanoPi M4 on the left of the Odroid N2. So here I am at the NanoPi M4. I've already installed Barrier on it. I'm gonna make a shortcut to it. So I go to panel preferences, to items, and I add an item. So a launcher, then add a new empty. And here I type Barrier and you can choose Barrier here. This way you can open Barrier just with a mouse click, so you don't need a keyboard at the PC you are using. Just be sure you have got the IP address somewhere that you can copy. So here we just choose client. Be sure to off click autoconfig and enter the IP address of the server. Then you click start. The first time can take a while before it connects. Just wait until it says Barrier is running. And it works. So I am typing this with the keyboard of my Odroid N2. So that's it for today. As you see, it is very simple to install. You can start it at boot. Watch the websites in the description for more information about that. I don't need it at boot. I just use one mouse on the SBC that I use Barrier on, and I start Barrier with that. And that way I can use my keyboard and mouse of another computer on that SBC. So thank you all for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you all later. Bye.